Introduce myself. My name is Puneet Mathur. I am a 2001 pass out from Integrated Masters Chemistry batch, and I want to introduce you to Mr. Anurag Goyal, who is contesting for the post of President for Alumni Association. And let's have a discussion with him to see what are his points and what are his agenda points for him. Sir, welcome here.
Thank you.
Can you please tell me about yourself?
After passing out from IIT Kanpur, I joined the Steel Plant in 1972 and worked in metallurgical consultants Ranchi and Jamshedpur. And thereafter, since 1984, I am a corporate consultant for innovation and growth as a freelancer. I am associated with a number of projects on business strategies and marketing.
Sir, please tell us about the contribution towards the IITK alumni that you have been contributing to.
Earlier, I used to have informal networking and get together with IIT Kanpur alumni in Bhilai, Ghaziabad, and in 14 years back, I co-founded Outer Delhi chapter along with Mr. Anil Goyal with the blessings of Padma Shri Satish Kora, Shri Ganesh Chaudhary of second batch and other eminent alumni. And it is one of the most vibrant chapters of the IIT Kanpur Alumni Association. And we have got more than 900 members in our e-group. We regularly have some kind of programs of picnics, get-togethers, and reunions and other.
Sir, please tell us about the first alumni central convention of 2013.
Yeah, I was the chairman of the first alumni-centric alumni convention of IIT Kanpur held in IIT Delhi on 3rd of March. It has been the biggest convention where more than 1,300 participants were there, including 800 plus alumni, retired faculty, number of retired directors, as well as the current chairman, Board of Governors of IIT Kanpur. The chief guest has been Dr. T. Subbarao, Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. It has been a very successful event of IIT Kanpur alumni.
Right. So, what are the key focus agenda points for you to get started?
You see, Alumni Association should primarily focus on alumni as well as the institute. So therefore my key agenda points are, we have to have a vibrant alumni association. Second, we should have we should think of the welfare of the alumni, as well as we should think about brand building of IIT Kanpur.
So, how do you propose to make IIT Kanpur alumni more vibrant?
You see, we need to involve as many alumni as possible into the alumni association, and for that we need to inspire and involve large number of chapter and branch coordinators all over the globe, and then we need to create some kind of value-added and attractive alumni association as well as chapter activities at various locations. And third, we should have a alumni-friendly and a useful website and a database. And finally, we should have a financial sustainability model of alumni association so that we can activate and energize the alumni association.
Right. So, how should alumni association serve alumni at large?
Very important. You see, unless until the alumni association serves the alumni, it doesn't make any sense. So naturally we have to think about alumni welfare and the development, and we must create some kind of alumni welfare and benevolent fund so that we can help the alumni in distress and need. First. Second, we should have online some kind of job and business and engagement opportunities for the alumni and their families. And third, we must have regular annual alumni-centric conventions where all the alumni can come together and think about how best we can make alumni association more useful to the alumni as well as the IIT Kanpur.
Sir, this will be a very interesting question for every alumni, especially for a younger generation. And the question will be, why should I vote for you?
Yes, you must vote very diligently and after thinking all the possible options. It's a very good question. You see, since inception, some 40 years back of Alumni Association, there has been a general convention, unwritten convention, that the president will toggle between India and US. And this time, for the last 6 years, continuously 3 presidents have been from US. So this time, there has to be some president from India to take care of 20,000 plus alumni of India. And second, Dr. Ashok Gupta is a very close and a very good friend of mine, and he will continue to guide the Alumni Association Board as the immediate past president. As president of Outer Delhi chapter, I have an extremely good relationship of all the alumni beginning from 1965 batch pass out to 2013 in Outer Delhi chapter activities, plus at NIT level, as well as I was also vice president of Alumni Association in 2004. So I understand the needs of all alumni beginning with first batch till latest batch. So I am the right person to be elected as president. Thank you.
So thank you for your time, and this was a very fruitful discussion, and I think we all will be convinced that you are the right candidates and your intentions and visions align with the need of the alumni for the present day. And I'm sure that me along with my colleagues and other alumni will vote for you. All the best, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.